VOXCAR already knows a lot about your car, like maintenance schedules, common issues, technical specifications. But some details live only in the original documentation, like that one wiring diagram, a factory specific torque sequence, or maybe even an exploded parts detail that you need for a very rare component. Let's look at it in action. Let's select the 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor Sentinel. Next, navigate to the Documents tab. Just for an example, select Cards View. You can toggle back and forth from a card view or a list view. It is purely up to your preference on how you want to see your data. It's easy to expand or collapse your list view. When you upload a manual to your garage, VOXCAR scans and indexes every page, fluid capacities, adjustment procedures, specialty tool callouts, model year variations. This information becomes instantly searchable through our CarBuddy AI. VOXCAR is configured to allow you to manually choose which documents you've uploaded to be scanned for reference by VOXCAR's AI. Click the dots on the right-hand side of any document, and it'll give you options to view, edit, download another document, or remove it. Let's navigate to the AI chat. Here, we can ask VOXCAR a question like, what's the valve adjustment procedure for my 280 SL? And it'll pull the answer directly from your uploaded Mercedes factory manual, citing the exact page and section. Let's take a look at this in action, and specifically for the Cadillac. Let's ask, why is the rear suspension bottoming out? Here we see a response that specifically references where did this information come from. In this case, it came from uploaded documentation. In some cases, you'll get a chat response that is particularly valuable. To keep it, you can save it as a note for future reference. Since we've saved a note from our AI chat, let's look at it. Let's take a look at the specific note and let's prepare it to be printed out. Select the printer icon. Your manuals, your VOXCAR garage. Now with an AI functionality that actually knows what's inside.